The electric vehicle market is rapidly evolving, and the 2025 BYD seal stands out as a testament to this progress. With cutting-edge technology, enhanced performance, and refined design, does the new BYD seal set a new benchmark for electric sedans? Let's delve into its features and find out. BYD, a pioneer in the electric vehicle industry, introduced the seal as part of its Ocean series in 2022. Designed to compete with models like the Tesla Model 3, the seal has quickly gained recognition for its blend of performance and affordability. The 2025 iteration brings significant upgrades, reinforcing BYD's commitment to innovation and quality. The 2025 BYD seal maintains its sleek and aerodynamic profile, now enhanced with subtle design refinements. A notable addition is the roof-mounted LiDAR sensor, seamlessly integrated to enhance the vehicle's autonomous driving capabilities. The front fascia features slim LED headlights and distinctive air intake, while a new sky purple exterior color option adds a fresh aesthetic appeal. The vehicle's dimensions remain consistent, offering a balanced stance and spacious interior. The technological advancements are at the forefront of the 2025 BYD seal. The integration of a LiDAR sensor marks BYD's first foray into this technology, significantly enhancing the vehicle's advanced driver assistance systems. Built on updated E-Platform 3.0 architecture, the seal now supports an 800-volt high-voltage system, enabling faster charging times, achieving a 10 to 80% charge in just 25 minutes. Inside, the cabin boasts a 15.6-inch rotating touchscreen infotainment system, offering intuitive access to vehicle controls and entertainment options. The interior of the 2025 seal exudes modern sophistication. A redesigned flat-panel dashboard conceals air conditioning vents for a minimalist look, complemented by a new coral orange color scheme. The four-spoke flat-bottom steering wheel and panoramic sunroof enhance the driving experience, while high-quality materials and meticulous craftsmanship ensure comfort for all occupants. Performance remains a cornerstone of the BYD seal's appeal. The 2025 model offers multiple powertrain options: rear-wheel drive standard edition, equipped with a 61.44 kilowatt-hour battery, delivering 2 to 8 horsepower and an estimated range of up to 510 kilometers. Rear-wheel drive long-range edition features an 80.64 kilowatt-hour battery, producing 308 horsepower and extending the range to approximately 650 kilometers. All-wheel drive performance edition combines dual electric motors for a total output of 523 horsepower, accelerating from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.8 seconds with a range of around 600 kilometers. The adoption of silicon carbide technology and the 800-volt architecture not only boosts performance but also improve charging efficiency. In Chinese market, the 2025 BYD seal is competitively priced, starting at 175,800 yuan, approximately $24,515. This pricing strategy underscores BYD's mission to make advanced electric vehicle technology accessible to a broader audience. The 2025 BYD seal exemplifies the fusion of innovative technology, dynamic performance, and refined design. With its enhanced features and competitive pricing, it stands poised to redefine the electric sedan landscape.